So I think the thing the coaches like most of it using Trainerize is the convenience of having everything in one place and the kind of additional insight and communication and individualization it allows with the clients they're working with. My name is Luke. I am the manager here at Revolution Fitness, and my role comprises of everything in the day-to-day logistics, so working with the coaches, working with the clients, ensuring consistent service delivery, and just generally making sure everything runs smoothly and everybody is happy on both staff and client side. So our main offering is in person, but since we've brought Trainerize on board, it's allowed us to expand more into hybrid and remote offerings as well. The piece of Trainerize we've used the most is definitely the kind of programming and the exercise library side of things. It structures all of our sessions, so that's the piece we would definitely use most, and that everybody that is in the gym using Trainerize would use some element of that. It also allows us to kind of individualise programs for people who need them, whether that's working around injuries or various different limitations, so that's the piece we would use the most. So the coaches really enjoy having the structure of Trainerize there in place. I say it makes their lives easier for building out programs for clients, it makes life easier for communicating with clients, and it makes it easier to individualize the service and the experience based off their needs. So next for us is going to be expanding to a second location, so that'll be coming up now hopefully in the next 4 to 6 months, and yeah, having Trainerize on board for that will definitely, I think, make the expansion an awful lot easier, more structured, because we can have multiple locations, we can have clients in multiple locations and coaches in multiple locations, and so I think being able to take what we're doing here and expand into a second location will be much easier with the structure and the flexibility it'll provide.